called utazizi. You use it to cook banga soup, actually. Yeah, and white soup.
It used to be bitter and it's very good for your tummy.
Yes.
Make you feel calm after eating it.
Yeah. Can you see this beautiful place? Oh, I wish you could just come to my village and enjoy yourself. We have some palm wines for you anyway, in case you're willing to come. Fresh palm wine. Please, you just tell me if you're willing to come and I'll make some reservations for you, okay? Huh? So we have some cherry trees over there. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Can you see what I'm showing you? We don't have to go to the market to buy anything because we have them all. I mean all. Everything. Please enjoy the view. Like I said, the name of this glorious village is called Obior. Obior. In Delta State, Anyocha North Local Government Area. You could actually bring your wife here for your honeymoon, and I will be here to be your tourist guide, okay? Is it guide or guide? Tourist guide. You see, the houses may not be so large, but we have enough place. Yeah, you come here in the afternoon, you pick a spot where you can rest, forget all about the worries. You come here, bring your church members, do your retreat, you hear the sound of nature, the whispers of birds singing to you. All problems are gone. You're back to nature again, where God actually can speak to you. Don't forget, God was meeting with man in a garden. Are you seeing? Ooh. I can't have enough of this view. Well, that's my grandmother over there. She's about 90-something years old. This is called Shawashore. Do you know what this is? I'm sure you know it. I'm sure you know it. This is my grandmother. She's close to 100 years. Grandmother, say hello to them. Say hello. Oh yeah, say hello.
Hello.
That's my grandmother. She's 90-something years, close to 100 years actually. She's hale and hearty, just arthritis, which is normal. So we have a lot of plantains, banana, coconuts. That is coconuts. That is coconuts. Guava. Okay. She is actually a great grandmother. Okay.